Welcome back to a brand new episode of Mastering Programming. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to apply some green screen effects into your videos that you've recorded. This can apply some really good effects and it will make you gain some more engagement and your audience will just be more interested in your videos. So here I have a very simple screen recording of a green screen. I found this on YouTube. Basically just people clapping their hands, and I want this to be showing in my video. So all I'll be doing is I'll simply dragging this and dropping it on top of any part in my video. For example, the very first part. Let's go ahead and expand iMovie. And what I want to do is I want to click on it, and you'll find that this button appears all of a sudden. Go ahead and click on this button. Instead of having it as a cutaway, what you want to do is you want to select green/blue screen, just like this. Perfect. Now that we've selected this, we can go all the way at the start of the movie and you can see that already the hands are showing properly. If I go ahead and run this, as you can see, it did play exactly how we want it. So all we needed to do is simply drag and drop that green screen. We needed to click on this button, select that it is a green/blue screen, and that's all you need to do. It will start rolling straight away. Now you can find all these green screen videos or effects directly from YouTube, or you can search it up. You'll find that there's heaps of them. Whether it's a photo or a video, you can simply drag, drop it, select the green screen, and it will work. And just one more time, I'll show you how it works. As you can see, it works exactly as expected. If this is something that you needed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and have a good day.